Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This is a good example of a CELPIP Writing Task 1 email. You can pause the video here to read the full answer if you need more time. The email effectively addresses all three parts of the prompt. For example, it asks for the exact days and times the classes are held, showing it covers the first bullet point. Notice how the email is organized into clear paragraphs. It starts with a polite greeting and directly states its purpose. Each body paragraph then focuses on one or two related points from the instructions. The tone is polite and semi-formal, which is appropriate for writing to a program coordinator at a community center. The writer uses simple but effective linking words to connect ideas smoothly. Examples include first, also, and furthermore. These words make the email easy to read and understand. There are also a couple of slightly more advanced words like keen and enrollment, which show a developing vocabulary. These are good examples of mild stretch words that are still understandable for the target level. For beginner learners, remember to start with a clear purpose statement. Then use simple sentences and common vocabulary to answer each part of the prompt. Always end with a polite closing. Practicing these simple steps will help you write clear and effective emails. This explanation will show why the model answer for CELPIP writing Task 2 scores well. You can pause the video here to read the full answer if you need more time. The response clearly states the preferred option right at the beginning. I believe the City Council should focus on building new sports facilities. It then provides strong reasons to support this choice, as required by the prompt. For example, it explains that these facilities would greatly benefit young people. The answer is well organized with a clear introduction, 2 main body paragraphs, and a brief conclusion. This structure makes the ideas easy to follow. The tone is semi-formal and polite, which is suitable for responding to a community survey. Each paragraph focuses on a specific reason, building a strong argument. The writer effectively uses simple linking words to connect ideas. Look for words like firstly, secondly, and in conclusion. These words guide the reader through the text smoothly. Also, the answer includes some useful vocabulary, such as dynamic, to describe the atmosphere, and foster when discussing community spirit. These are good examples of slightly more advanced words used correctly. A practical tip for beginners is to always state your choice clearly in the first sentence. Then, give at least 2 distinct reasons in separate paragraphs to support your opinion. This will help you structure your answer effectively. Let's look at why this model answer for CELPIP writing Task 2 is effective. Feel free to pause the video now if you want to read the entire answer before I start. This response clearly chooses one option, stating at the beginning, I think the City Council should choose to create more green spaces. It then provides logical reasons to support this choice, directly addressing the survey prompt. For example, it explains that green spaces would provide quiet and peaceful areas for relaxation. The answer is structured very well. It begins with a clear introduction, followed by 2 distinct body paragraphs and a brief conclusion. This logical flow makes it easy for the reader to understand the main points. The tone is appropriate for a community survey, being polite and informative throughout. Each paragraph develops a different reason to support the chosen option. The writer uses simple and effective linking words, such as firstly, secondly, and in summary, to connect sentences and ideas smoothly. This improves the overall coherence of the text. You can also spot some useful, slightly higher level vocabulary, like tranquil, to describe peaceful areas, and enhance when talking about improving the park's appeal. These words add quality without being too difficult. When you write your own answer, remember to state your preference clearly at the start. Then, develop at least 2 main reasons, using separate paragraphs for each, and connect your ideas with simple linking words.